This 2024 East to West Entrada 2200S is a Class C RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a GRANITE PEAK interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 East to West Entrada 2200S is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.